No,
I think you just resume job.
Yeah, it should save all the progress.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
So how do I like get to the menu though? Is my question.
That's a good question. I have no answer. That's a good question. Good question. Good. That's a good question. I have no answer. You probably just have to quit.
Dang.
You probably just have to quit. That's a good question. I have no answer.
Mikoto, thank you for the Akasupa. Why are you so cute? That's a good question. That's a good question. If you know the reason, please let me know, because I'm still trying to figure that out. Bum, bum, dun, 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 but... Bum, bum. We have all the colors! Okay. What is the serial number? Oh, that's a good question. Oh, that's a good question. It is... Oh, that's not the serial number. There's no serial number. There is. There's no serial number. There's no serial number. Okay, whatever. Oh, there it is! It has no...
The bookworm was really cool. I like to think that bookworms are rock hard. Yeah. The bookworms are the steeds, so... I don't know who rides you. I guess anything can ride you. Oh, no, the eyes... Actually, you know, that's a good question. I always thought you guys are sort of based on Bleach. Like the little hollow mask. So to me, the eyes are always the front. The side stuff is more like headphones. I can see why that looks like an eye, actually. You know, that's a good question. I'll leave that to you. For me though, you always look the same in terms of your facial expressions. Good question.
And exactly what's still dirty and clean.
Yeah!
Bless you.
Mukuta, use the power washing! Not your nose!
Did you hit the escape?
I did.
What did you pick?
Channel lights.
That's a good question. It'll be something with light on it.
Yeah.
That's a good question. It'll be something with light on it.
Yeah. Channel lights, got it. Oh. Maybe the Missa got it. I think the Missa's getting it, Moko-chan. I wanna get it! Mama!
We still have a lot of things. What'll happen?
I tried to sell that person.
Where do we go? The big magnet? Okay, wait.
Hold up. Let me look for it.
If we go...
It's on the other side.
I don't know how you... I see it.
Careful, Moko-chan. Careful.
Okay.
There we go.
Why do you need cars in this game?
That's a good question.
It's kind of like on this side, I see.
Yeah! Except we will have the information about what we should do with the car.
It's okay, we figured it out.
Oh, there's the ramp.
Okay.
Somewhere...
Oh.
We got a new person now! You have to leave it in the park. I just think you want... So this might be a little conundrum now. Maybe I can push it?
Yeah, can you guys...
Let's go towards your flashlight, Moko-chan.
Okay, I can't push it from this... Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. I can't push it from the front. You're gonna have to,
I'm reversing as hard as I can. Someone needs to push me.
I'm scared that you'll be pushed into the ocean is the issue. Push me from
the back.
Push you from the back?
I don't think pushing you from the back is a good idea.
I think you push for the front. Moko-chan, we're gonna get run over. Moko-chan. Moko-chan, we're gonna get run over. Oh my gosh.
You're doing it.
Yeah. Was that good? Did I help? Moko-chan, let's go in the ship.
Hold on. Let me just push you so you're like on par with the side.
Moko-chan, let's not kill Norisa, okay?
I need to be pushed a little forward. Oh, stop. Pushing to the side. Pushing to the side. Keep pushing to the side. Okay, stop.
Oh, there we go. Moko-chan, now we're gonna get run over.
So you can have a better
Let's go in.
Keep backing.
I can't back up anymore. I'm stuck.
I push with all the strength in my little tiny nun body.
I'm pushing.
Oh, don't push that way. You okay? Wait. How about?
Oh god,
This way?
Shuri's gonna get run over.
Now maybe you can back up or no?
I'm trying.
Don't push from the back. Okay, you're good.
Moko-chan, I'm scared.
Okay.
Okay, anyway.
Let's jump in the trunk.
Yes, anyway.
Okay, how can you guys figure out how the magnet works while I try to get...
Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and try a bunch of flavors, you will not regret it. Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and hang out at our ice cream shop, it's called Not Just Ice, haha, yeah!